welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make another short, and this time we're gonna make an incision page. And which size, that totally depends on you. Well, first of all, I'm gonna start with an A4 page. And how large are we gonna make that? Well, what size? I have no clue. What size do I love to make? I think a 6" is a nice size, especially when I'm going to use this size paper. So what size is it then? I think a little bit larger than a 6. 6/1/8, something like that. So that's the size that I'm going to use. So it's totally depending on what you prefer to use. Now let's say this is a 6/1/4. Now I'm going to make a 1/2 inch at the top, and I want to make a 1/2 inch at the bottom. But first, of course, we do want to know how large do we want this. Okay, how large? I think a 7" 7 or 8". I think that's a nice, and let me make it an 8". Yeah. Alright, that means that I need to score. Totally not good at it, but I'm just gonna make a mark, so there I can make my next score line. And then I just kind of cut this short, fold this over, and then if I'm correctly, I have a nice 8. Yes! Alright, so this is my first thing that I need. Okay, then I need to find a piece of paper that I want to use for it. And yep, I am going to use this black. So I'm just going to make my marks where I need to cut it. There we go. And here we go. Okay, cool. Switch the edges. There you go. Okay, now I can add this already on. Well, this one is also nice, but choose this one. Here we go. Yep, glue it on. Here we go. Alright, that's the base that we need. Okay, now you can turn it over, and now you just, I want to add 4. Now, first of all, I like to stay away 1 inch from the sides. So that's my first goal, that I stay away 1 inch away from the edges. Okay. Alright, so in between we need to make that incision. Now first, I also like to stay away 2 inches from the bottom. There we go. So this is going to be my first incision, and then yeah, I like to, let's see what I have left. I have a small 6 left. If I do 2, then I have 1, 2, 3, but I want to have 4. So what if I do 1.5? 1.5 and 1.5. Yeah, that's a better thing to do. So I'm gonna make a mark, 1.5 and 1.5. Same thing here. 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. Here we go. And the last one, so I have 4. Yep, those incisions I want to make. Alright, grab your cutting plate if you have one, and now I'm just gonna cut. And what I like to cut is, I want to cut a little opening, not just an incision. So what I like to cut is, first I'm gonna cut on that pencil mark. There we go. And then I'm just gonna cut a little besides it. Alright, same thing on all the others. So on the pencil mark, and then just one more. And then one more. And the last one. Here we go. Now of course you need to make these loose. There you go. Take them out. And there you go. Alright, so now we have those 4 incisions, but this is not that nice, of course. We want to make it nice. So the next thing what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this. I love this one. So what I like now is to cut these, well, let's say, well, 1/2 inch is a little, I'll take a 5/8. I think that's a nice size. And then these are 4, and I want to make 1/2 inch larger, so I'm going to cut this at 5 and then 5/8. Well, let me check. So this is, oh, I think I can first, what size was it? 5? Yeah, it's 5 inch. And then this size is okay. And I need 4 of those. There we go. Now you can make these nicer with something. Let me check what can we use? Let me check just 1 second. Okay, I like to use this one, but if you don't have it, then you also just can cut a nice angle that makes it also pretty. But I was just trying to use this one and I thought, oh yes, I love it. I think, by the way, that you can do this also with the envelope punch, but never thought that I could do that with this one. Alright, and now of course we do need to make the same incision and then glue it on. But what you also can do, I think, just glue it on and then cut it out. Or is that, no, I don't think that's nice. That's not nice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna watch where the middle is, and then just make a mark. I think something like that, and then just cut that incision. Let's see if that works. Let's give it a go. And then she was quiet. Alright. Cut it loose. Then what we have is a nice incision. Smooth the edges. I think if anything is not nice, then now you can adjust that. Alright, and then I just can glue it on here. Oh yeah. That'll do. Alright. Now, if you want to make this a little easier to do, then you could have done this glue down equal and then cut it out. But now we did measure everything, so it's a little bit neater. So yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna do that same thing with the other ones. Just make a mark and cut it out. Cool. Alright, see you soon. Okay, I'm still here. Alright guys, decided to do these together with you. Maybe otherwise they are not shorts. I know, but yeah, I'm just used to do it all together. I'm so used to it. Alright. go. Make some incisions for the incision pages. By the way, guys, I can't wait. I can't wait. I need to wait for my puppy, my new puppy. I bought a Yorkshire Terrier. And guys, why do I always hate waiting? I'm so terrible at that. I wish I do have more patience, but I just don't have it. It's not in me. But who blames me? Who blames me? Such a nice little precious thing. I hope Chica will love it. She has a new playmate. Is it a playmate? That sounds not. That sounds strange. Alright. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is super cute. Alright, now if we are ready to put this on a page, then these hinges are very handy, so you still can add other things on. And now this is actually done, and now I can add little cards inside. Which one I love. Oh, I think this is too black. Give me some color. Yeah, super cute. See? Love it. Alright, you get the picture. And then this page is done. Yes! Well, of course, this will be nice when it's on your page. But this is how we make a nice incision pocket page. I must say it's the first time that I did cut first in the page and then added these. Normally I would just glue these down and then make all my incisions. But I must say that this is pretty handy too. A little bit more work, but yeah, I love it. Super cute. Cute.